Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss about the vector algebra. Vector, a quantity that has magnitude as well as direction, is called vector. Since the length is never negative, so the notation mod a is smaller than not is always greater than 0 has no meaning, right? Magnitude a is always greater than 0. Scalar, a quantity that has a magnitude only, is called scalar. Magnitude of vectors a is equal to ai plus bj plus ck, then mod a is equal to under root a square plus b square plus c square. Free vectors in the initial point of a vector is not specified, then it is called a free vector. Type of vectors: 0 or null vectors. A vector whose magnitude is 0, that is whose initial point coincide, is called a null vector or 0 vector. Unit vector, a vector whose magnitude is 1 unit, that is called unit vector. Mod A is 1. Co-initial vector, 2 or more vectors is having the same initial point, is called co-initial vectors. Collinear vectors, a vector which have same support, are called collinear vectors in one directional. They lie on same line. Like vectors, the vector which have the same direction are called like vectors. Okay. Unlike vectors, the vectors which have opposite direction are called unlike vectors. It is right. Equal vectors, two vectors are equal if they have the same magnitude and direction. Negative of a vector whose magnitude is same but the direction is opposite to the one another. Mod vector AB and minus vector AB both are negative to one another. So in this way we see there are many types of vectors, and what are vectors? Physical quantities having direction and magnitude, and this is the basic concept. Scalar, there is only magnitude, no direction, no need of direction. Vector algebra, this is the very important, depends on this point. Okay, this is very important, dear students.